we have a 2021 Nissan Maxima SV. It's in a nice, beautiful gun metallic color. At the back, we have the quad tip exhaust.
Perfect.
18-inch aluminum wheels. LED headlights on the front. V-motion grille. We have the MSRP sticker on the car. 2020 Nissan Maxima SV. All the options on this car. Car's listed for $38,750. 24 miles per gallon, 20 in the city, 30 in the highway. Go around one more time to get a look at it. Go inside. See, it's brand new. It's got the packaging in the car. Entertainment system, push the start button, leather wrap steering wheel, leather wrap shifter, you have your infotainment system over here, you have your maps, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, or your audio systems, a little cubby storage right here. USB Type-C and aux cord. Put your phone right in here. Push the start button. Your heated seats or your sport mode. Leather interior. Leather on the steering wheel. Feels very nice. So the Nissan Maxima 2021. We're gonna take off for a spin, see how it drives. A little POV test drive. Cruise control over here. You can set how far distance cars can be from you. Your Bluetooth, you have all your connections here on the steering wheel. Pretty convenient now for 2021, of course. The ride's pretty quiet for being a V6. Perfect. Also put it in manual mode over here. Shift it up and down. Get some speed on the freeways. See how quickly this thing picks up. It does have a nice pickup and plenty of torque for the car. Blind spots right here too. Plenty of safety features on this car. So all the safety features, you have your lane departure, blind spot warning. Go to the side over here. Your speed limit sign, tire pressures, which is very important to see on a car. Lane departure, blind spot, speed limit signs, your parking aids. You can customize these all. You can turn them off and on. Your sensors in the back and the front. You can set the range too. Emergency brake, your driver attention alert, timer alert, low temperature alert, cruise control alerts, set them off and on. Chassis control, very simple to use. Maintenance, your vehicle settings, and customize a lot of these things in this car. You also have your compass, so you know which way you're going, what direction. Fuel economy, your driving aids like we went over. The infotainment system is really nice for this car, it's big enough. Dual air conditioning. Turn it on. Pick up some speed real quick. Put it back in automatic mode. Does drive a little different. There we go, that's the drive. Feels pretty comfortable. Very relaxing seats too. Your foot brake down here. You have automatic seats too, which is really convenient for the SV. That's about it.